This Halloween, skip the store-bought decor and grab some glue, paper, and imagination. Halloween crafts for kids aren't just about spooky fun. They're about creativity, laughter, and making memories together. From creepy creatures to glowing ghosts, every project becomes a little piece of Halloween magic. Let's turn simple supplies into spooky masterpieces that kids will be proud to show off. Today we'll explore 3 simple stages: crafting the basics, decorating with spooky details, and showcasing your creations. Whether it's at home, in the classroom, or during a Halloween party, these ideas are safe, simple, and guaranteed to bring out your little artist's imagination. Crafting the basics. Every Halloween masterpiece starts with simple materials: paper, glue, and a dash of creativity. The idea is to build a fun foundation before adding all the spooky extras. Encourage kids to experiment with shapes: triangles for hats, circles for pumpkins, rectangles for haunted houses. There's no wrong way to create. Let them choose their own color combinations. Classic orange and black are always fun, but adding purple, green, or silver gives everything a magical twist. The goal is expression, not perfection. What's your favorite Halloween craft to make with kids? Share your go-to spooky idea in the comments. We'd love to see your creativity. Now comes the fun part, the details. This is where imagination runs wild. Think wiggly eyes, sparkly glitter, or cutout shapes that bring the crafts to life. Encourage kids to mix textures and layers. It makes their spooky scenes even more playful. Adding little details like paper cutouts, cotton for fog, or soft lights makes everything come alive. It's all about creativity and giving each craft its own Halloween personality. If these Halloween craft ideas for kids inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who love fun, festive activities. Once the crafts are finished, it's time to show them off. Turn a table or shelf into a mini Halloween gallery. Display each creation proudly. Every piece tells its own story. The joy of these crafts isn't just in making them, it's in sharing them. Encourage kids to name their creations. Maybe a spooky cat, a friendly ghost, or a tiny haunted house. Giving each one a name adds personality and helps them feel connected to what they've made. For more creative, kid-friendly DIYs and festive holiday projects, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more fun ideas. And there you have it, a full day of creativity, laughter, and Halloween spirit. Crafting with kids is more than just a fun activity. It's a way to build confidence, imagination, and holiday memories that last forever. Every spooky shape and colorful creation is proof that Halloween magic lives in creativity. So grab your scissors, paper, and imagination, and let this Halloween be filled with creativity, color, and a little spooky sparkle. Happy crafting and happy haunting!